This is the Toyota Camry mirror I've repaired. I was just repairing. You see it. It was broken totally. I repaired it from from scratches. It was totally broken. I repaired it. So I do almost everything on cars. You see? I'll be showing you how it's complete.
देखो 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 सामान फिट करेगा ये तूरी आदमी है, ये काम करता है, ये शीशा बर्बाद किया। चेक करो तुम लोग, ये वीडियो अपलोड करेगा सही।
Working, professionally working. This one is going to go here. This one like this is going to go here. Now like this. As you can, this one now is going to go here. This one is going to go here. As you can see, like this. See? You see? You see? Now the remaining one is this mirror. And this one now is going here. Okay? This one now like this is. As you can see, this one you see is put in like this. They put inside. As you can see now, it's already been fixed. The mirror is already done. Thank you for watching.